Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate on the evidence of fluorescence in the Holy Quran. Plants emit an invisible light called fluorescence. NASA is studying the emissions of plants from space. First of its kind fluorescence map offers a new view of the world's land plants. Scientists from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, MUD, have produced groundbreaking global maps of land plant fluorescence, a difficult-to-detect reddish glow that leaves emit as a byproduct of photosynthesis. While researchers have previously mapped how ocean-dwelling phytoplankton fluoresce, the new maps are the first to focus on land vegetation and to cover the entire globe. Chlorophyll fluorescence offers a more direct window into the inner workings of the photosynthetic machinery of plants from space. Emissions studied by NASA are namely, chlorophyll fluorescence. The development of fluorometers allowed chlorophyll fluorescence analysis to become a common method in plant research. This chlorophyll fluorescence was known recently, however it was portrayed in the Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. Quran says in chapter 24 and verse 35, Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The allegory of his light is that of a pillar on which is a lamp. The lamp is within a glass. The glass is like a brilliant planet, fueled by a blessed tree, an olive tree, neither eastern nor western. Its oil would almost illuminate, even if no fire has touched it. Light upon light. Allah guides to his light whomever he wills. Allah thus cites the parables for the people. Allah is cognizant of everything. Its oil would almost illuminate, even if no fire has touched it. This is light without fire. Today we know what it is, chlorophyll fluorescence. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known about chlorophyll fluorescence? The Holy Quran surely is a wonderful miracle of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.